Alright guys, so now we are going to talk about the section 6.8. Okay, 6.8, and we are going to work on the page 358. 358. And let's try to solve the problem number 13. Okay, in this problem number 13, it's about draw the graph of the inequality. So you have y equal, or actually it's not equal, it's an inequality. So it is y greater than x plus 1. When you want to graph this inequality, first what you want to do is imagine instead to have the symbol greater, you are going to have the symbol equal. So you are going to imagine that instead to have y greater than x plus 1, you got y equal x plus 1. Then you are going to graph this linear equation using the slope and the y-intercept form. In that case, the slope equal 1 and the y-intercept is equal to 0, 1. When x equals 0, y equal 1. Because the slope equal 1, which is, I'd like to remind you, 1 over 1, you need to go up 1 and right 1 from the y-intercept coordinate 0, 1. So if I want to represent this graph, what I'm going to have is this. Alright, this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis, and first I'm going to plot the y-intercept. When x equals 0, y equal 1. So this is my y-intercept. Alright, this is my y-intercept. And from this y-intercept, I need to go up 1 and right 1. Once I'm done with this, I have to graph my line. But because there is no equal in my symbol right here, it's just y greater, it's going to be a dashed line. Okay? And then, because y has to be greater than x plus 1, that forced me to shade above. Okay? So that is it. We're good to go. Now, let's try to do another problem. And let's try to solve the problem number 29. Number 29, now we have y is greater than x minus 4, but we have a system of linear inequalities, and x minus 4, and for the other one, it's a x plus y less than 5. Well, we are going to apply what we did on the problem number 13 for each of these two inequalities. First, we are supposed to have, right, blue, y equal x minus 4 with a slope m equal 1 and a y-intercept 0 minus 4. And for the other one, well, for the other one, we have to write x plus y equal 5. Then we need to subtract x both sides in order to have y by himself equal to 5 minus x. Or should have wrote y equal minus x plus 5. Why do I want to have this way? Because I'm looking for y equal mx plus b, just to remind you. Okay? And in that case, what do I have is pretty simple. I'm getting a slope equal negative 1 and a y-intercept 0, 5. At the end of the day, I will have to graph both of these equations. So, from the point y equals 0 minus 4. So, from the point y equals 0 minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So that is the first y-intercept. I need to graph the line. Let me remind me x minus 4. So I need to go up 1 and right 1 because the slope is 1. Now, because there is no equal, I will have to dash my line. Okay? I will have to dash my line. And because I'm having y greater than x minus 4, it will be dashed above, shade above. Now, for the other one, I'm getting a slope equal to -1 from the y-intercept 0, 5. So, from the y-intercept 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 5, from this point. Because the slope is -1, I need to go down 1 and right 1. Now, I have to have a dashed line because there is no equal in my symbol right there. So, I have a dashed line. Now, I need to be careful because y is not standing by itself right here. So what I want to do is try to work out my inequality. I got x plus y less than 5. I subtract x both sides, and when I'm subtracting x both sides, I do not flip my symbol. So my symbol doesn't change. And now that means y is less than minus x plus 5. So, because y is less, I will have to shade below. So I shade below. And what do I see is a space, an area, you're going to see an area. And let me change the color and put some red. You are going to see, actually I'm going to put some green. You are going to see an area which is right here, where the purple shade and the pink shade are above each other. And in this area, all the points in this area will be checking your two initial equations. Okay? We'll be checking your two initial inequality. Okay? So if I take the point 0, 0, well, when x equals 0, when x equals 0, if I put 0 right here, x equals 0, I'm going to have, and y equals 0, 0 is greater than minus 4, so 0, the point 0, 0 is checking the first inequality. When x equals 0 and y equals 0, 5 is greater than 0, so it is also checking the other inequality.